Multimeter, temperature line, lead wire, manual, high configuration multimeter. Insert the test leads into the corresponding test lead jacks. High voltage resistance, current resistance, with pen tip protection cover. Power on. Turn on the backlight. Automatically identify AC voltage and measure with AC voltage regulator. Automatic identification of DC voltage measurement display. Resistance measurement. The test leads can be measured by touching both ends of the resistance. Buzzer measurement, which measures the continuity of the line, will beep the DD. Diode measurement. The positive and negative poles of the test leads need to be aligned. For safety, discharge is required before measuring capacitance. Capacitance measurement. The test lead can be measured by touching both ends of the capacitor. The value can be reset to 0 before measuring millivolts. When the neutral wire is measured, the live wire screen will turn red and beep, but the neutral wire will not beep. Temperature measurement. Plug in the temperature wire. Use a lighter to measure. AC current measurement. The test lead needs to be inserted into the 10A jack when measuring. DC current measurement. Measure the current of the light strip when it is working. Turn on the flashlight to illuminate in the dark. NCV non-contact induction. The screen will turn into a red signal light full grid.